Hello Libra, how are you? This is your weekly money, career and business reading for the week of 6th July to 12th July. I've already shuffled these cards, Libra, and we'll see what you have in your week. Seven of Cups. The Seven of Cups is like, I feel that you are really feeling good. You're in a very in a world of dreamy world in which you are feeling, you have wealth and you are emotionally happy, and you are feeling authoritative, you are feeling you're popular, there is credibility to what you are doing. Actually it's a card of dreaming, but I feel you feel this way right now. That feelings, it's a genuine feeling that you have been feeling this way. You are looking your best and you're taking care of yourself. So let me clarify this Seven of Cups. Knight of Cups. So here it talks about maybe there is some idea, or I feel a job offer for some of you, job offer, an interview call for some of you coming, which really puts you into this high confidence mode, and you are really feeling great with this news or the offer coming through. It could also be a news of a partnership or a deal going through for you, Libra. So good card for this. I feel it's also like a new idea getting executed in business or partnership. The initial stages of execution is going well for some of you. Ace of Pentacles, great. So this is a money card. So suddenly you are getting a money, suddenly some amount of money. It's a big or small, it depends on your situation. Some of you getting money from a source, from maybe it's a sudden money. It could be an inheritance or a bonus or a pay hike for some of you. So sudden money coming in, a very nice card. Or maybe the idea with the Knight of Cups that you got, that idea you started working on has started to pay off like you weren't expecting, and it has come. So great card. I mean, work-wise it's a great card, Libra. Four of Pentacles. I feel for some of you, you are still holding on to some money, or so this card is like, do not hold the money or your thought about the money situation so firmly that creativity and new ideas cannot come. Like, let the creativity come in, let the new ideas come in, let the new way of seeing things with a different perspective come in. So Libra, I feel that you need to let loose of, some of you who are holding on to this, you need to let loose of that situation and see things from a different perspective. It could also be some of you holding on to that inheritance which you do not want to give away. So this is what I get. Let me clarify this Four of Pentacles card for you. This is like Seven of Rods. I feel this holding on is an obstacle to your journey towards a victory, to the pathway towards the victory. So you need to release this. Some of you need to release money, some of you need to release that thought of not letting the money in a new idea or a venture. So then only you can cross these hurdles. You have to free yourself, let loose yourself to get a win-win situation, because you can still see here it's not a smooth journey. This is an obstacle for this is the card of the underdog, the winner, going ups and downs and still be getting towards victory. So for some of you, it's like letting loose of certain situations, then it's gonna work out for you guys. So I feel it's a great week for most of you. See you next week, Libra. Thank you. This is it.